In the world of motorcycles, few names evoke the spirit of freedom and rebellion like Harley-Davidson. Today, we unveil the latest chapter in this iconic legacy, the 2025 Harley-Davidson VR2. Merging classic design with cutting-edge technology, the VR2 represents Harley-Davidson's bold step into the future. Since 1903, Harley-Davidson has been synonymous with American motorcycling culture. From the rugged terrains of the early 20th century to the highways of today, the brand has continually evolved, balancing tradition with innovation. The VR2 is the culmination of this journey, a testament to over a century of engineering excellence and a vision for the road ahead. At first glance, the VR2 captivates with its aerodynamic silhouette. The fusion of form and function is evident in every curve, every detail. We wanted the VR2 to honor our heritage while embracing modernity. The result is a bike that's unmistakably Harley-Davidson, yet refreshingly contemporary. Powertrain and performance ***. Beneath its refined exterior lies the heart of a beast. The VR2 is powered by the Revolution Max 1250 cubic centimeters engine, delivering an exhilarating 150 horsepower. This liquid-cooled V-twin engine ensures optimal performance across varied terrains, making every ride both thrilling and smooth. The VR2's throttle response is immediate. Whether you're cruising or pushing the limits, it handles with remarkable agility. Technological innovations ***. Incorporating state-of-the-art technology, the VR2 offers riders an immersive experience. The 12.3-inch touchscreen display provides real-time data, navigation, and smartphone integration. With customizable ride modes and advanced safety